can you tell us about the replacement for the JC1?
You mean a new one?
Yeah.
It's bigger. No, it's heavier. That's the only thing I know. It's heavier.
What's up, everybody? This is Tyson Rabany with the award-winning Quality Audio Video Showroom in Centennial, Colorado. And I'm so honored and absolutely excited that we're going to have the legendary Grateful Dead sound engineer John Curl for an evening of questions and answers. He's going to be in the house tonight, and he's going to be talking about in this video the replacement of the Parasound model Halo JC1 amplifier. Enjoy.
They were going to bring it over to my house the other day to test, and they said, John, you can't lift this thing or something, or we're going to have some help getting it up to your room. And I said, I don't even want the thing delivered to me until after the show, because I don't want to be tripping over it for a couple of days before I get here. And what they've done is they've just beefed it up, and we've done some other things. In fact, this guy over here, I know he doesn't belong here, but he designed part of that amplifier. We call them music rails, and they're built into the amplifier. And we're trying to, they're a way of quieting the power supply, and we have them designed into this amplifier. It's the only one we have it designed into, and we're going to try it out. I haven't heard it yet, the latest one, but I hope that that'll make a serious difference. I know it does on all the other amps that it's been put in. And so that's the biggest thing. We're having more output devices, but that's mostly because of reliability. We really want to be able to be able to just drive anything and never have a breakdown or anything. We've had a couple of breakdowns, a few breakdowns, I'm told. They never tell me anything, really, but they'll say later, yeah, we had some breakdowns. Well, why didn't you tell me about it, so I know what to do about it. But it just so happens that the way we're working it, by adding extra parts, we'll probably be in a better safe zone. We're already in pretty good shape. We have protection. Sometimes it's a fight in protection between getting it too close and affecting the sound, coming in even in an instant and screwing up the sound quality, or not coming in enough and breaking and the thing breaking on you. So you got to be careful. It's always a delicate balance. It's a cut and tries kind of thing. You can't just theorize it and get it really right. You got to figure out how much you can get away with, really. Well, how can I loosen it up enough so that it doesn't nuisance trip? You don't want it to nuisance trip. Some loads it probably will nuisance trip all the time. I don't know. Depends. That's one of the things about the more expensive amps. They usually can drive very difficult low impedance loads, comparatively speaking, like the JC1 can do that. The others, the lighter weight ones, they can drive them, but they won't drive them as happily. They may not break, but they won't be quite as effortless. There's a certain effortlessness that happens when you get it right. I mean, when you have the right loading. And some speakers are very hard loads. They may sound good, big electrostatics or something. They can be very difficult loads for these amps. That's what the JC1 was originally designed for. Now somebody says, in fact, the one guy here said he's got JC1s, but he drives, very modest speakers, comparatively speaking, as far as a load, I think. And that's good, but, that's maybe overkill. That's like driving your Porsche, to work. It's not really the same, it's good, it's okay, but, traffic and all.
As always, I hope you guys are getting great value out of this content that we're sharing with you. I'm Tyson Rabany. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, all the good stuff. You guys know what to do. And start a conversation with us below. I'd love to hear what you thought about this video and what you'd like to see in any future video series that we're going to be sharing with you. And if you're in the Denver area, be sure to stop by the best showroom in the world. We'll see you next time. Thanks.